Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope 2020 is treating everybody amazing. All right, guys, so we do have some spoilers for the February BoxyCharm base box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you're notified and you won't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the BoxyCharm January Premium Box. Congratulations, Alexis Loper. Alexis says, hey girl. Hey Alexis, honey, how are you doing? I hope New Year's is doing you well. I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, this is for the February base BoxyCharm box. And the choice window and the add-ons will be open the same day. So if you miss out on anything, you'll have the add-ons there. Just fall back on. All right, guys, so the first thing is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Next up, now this is going to be a mouthful, y'all, so bear with me. The Kate Somersville KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptide Serum. Man, I don't know, but with as many words as on that, it ought to do a lot. And the last thing, but certainly not least, is the Beckett Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Now, of course, you know they do shade matching now, so you'll get your right shade. And if they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you guys updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Nikki Jarrett. Nikki says, hi, thanks for sharing. Well, you are more than welcome, Nikki. Again, I've said it 1,000 times. I love doing these spoiler videos. I love seeing the spoilers, and I love showing them to y'all. And I really appreciate the support on my channel, honey. Thank you so much, Nikki. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribing. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.